Thinking about getting a reptile for the first time? Reptiles can make fantastic companions, but choosing the right one is key for a smooth start. In this video, we'll cover some of the best reptiles for beginners, including what makes them easy to care for and why they're great choices for new owners. Let's dive in and find your perfect reptile buddy. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. What reptiles have you considered or already own as a beginner? Share your experiences or any questions you have about starting with reptiles in the comments below. Now, here are the best reptiles for a first-time reptile owner. 1. Leopard Gecko. Leopard geckos are great pets for beginners because they're tough and easygoing. They're quiet and don't need much care. Since they're nocturnal, you'll see them being active in the evening or early morning. 2. Bearded Dragon. Bearded dragons can grow up to 24 inches long and live over 10 years. They're friendly and like being held. They eat crickets, worms, and vegetables, making them easy to feed. 3. Turtles can grow up to 11 inches and live for more than 30 years. They spend a lot of time in water, have webbed feet, and eat both plants and small animals like crickets and goldfish. 4. Corn snake. Corn snakes like to hide and dig, so their habitat should have spaces for this. They're curious and can escape if the tank isn't secure. They're small, colorful, and gentle, making them great pets. 5. Tortoises live on land, can grow up to 12 inches long, and can live for over 50 years. They look like they come from the dinosaur era. Unlike turtles, tortoises eat only plants and prefer land to water. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect reptile for your first pet. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on reptile care. What reptiles have you considered or already own as a beginner? Share your experiences or any questions you have about starting with reptiles in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.